Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jacob Restituto. I'm a musician, a songwriter, and a producer from Long Island, New York. And today I just want to give you a 2-minute quick little tip on how I make my acoustic guitars sound way wider, sound way bigger, sound like it's almost 2 guitars. So I want to show you in a project that I'm working on. This is just the acoustic guitar right here. Nothing going on, a recorded direct input. One way you can do it is you can actually just record 2 guitars playing the same thing, just pan them right and left. That's one way you can do it, but that's not the way I'm going to show you. The way I'm going to show you is you take your instrument, you go to the instrument that you have it on, go to your effects, go down to delay, sample delay, mono to stereo. So this was recorded mono. Now I want to put it mono to stereo. So again, let me show you what it sounds like. Mono. Okay, now watch what happens when I turn this on. I'm gonna go like 700, 800. Without. With. See how it got super wide all of a sudden? So let me show you why. So what it's doing is it's taking this sample, taking this this recording, and it's splitting it. It's splitting the mono signal, and then it's taking it and turning it into a stereo signal. What it's doing is it's taking the right channel right now and delaying it by 800 samples. You can change it to milliseconds if you want, but right now it's delaying it by 800 samples. So it's taking the same signal, which normally like this, but now it's like this. So if you look at it, this one you hear in the left ear a little bit earlier, and the right ear a little bit later. And why that makes it sound wider is because instead of it being that you hearing both at the same time, it's like this. And now it sounds just bigger and fatter in the song. It also makes it almost sound like 2 guitars, because normally when you play something in, you can never play it perfectly in the same time. So the second time, there's always going to be imperfections, and this makes it sound like there's almost some sort of imperfections not perfectly in time, and therefore giving a larger effect. So let me show you that again. Now you don't have to do that crazy. You can do like 300. We'll do 366 without, with. So it just makes it sound much wider. Cool. So I hope that was helpful. Hope that helps you make acoustic guitars a little bit wider, a little bit fatter, a little bit better sounding. It's a trick that I use in my own stuff. I hope you enjoyed that. My name is Jacob Restituto. If you'd like to take a listen to any of my own music, there's a link in the description. Alright, peace out. Have a great rest of the day. Oh, by the way, let me know if there's anything you want me to show you how to do, any tips or tricks you'd like to know. Alright, peace out.